dad, isn't it?
I think he is, yeah.
I know him. 92.
Oh, so he's the dad?
Yeah, I know him.
So there's still 5 of them, isn't there? So there's one there. Just like a mix of grey and white.
And then they still squeak like mice?
Yeah, yeah. So we've got one there. Yeah, squeaking now, isn't it?
They're so cute, honestly.
And then we've got 3 there.
Yeah, so we know the dad. We know 92. He's the dad. And I think I saw the mom ages ago. Oh no, it was on one of your videos.
Yeah, you can definitely see the white coming through, can't you?
No. He's preening.
They've definitely grown.
It won't be long before the Swan and Wildlife Rescue come and tag these.
What do you reckon, next month or so?
Yeah. They'll come and tag
I mean, it's crazy how much they've grown. If you look back at my videos, from about a month or 2 months ago.
Yeah, the speed they grow is insane.
How cute they were.
But it's constant eating. They're constantly eating. Oh, it's 92. Yeah, I'm impressed. Don't think he shacked up with her. No, because she's new. We don't know her.
Right, so she's a new one.
She's obviously flown in and is hooked up.
If you look at the beaks as well, they're starting to get a bit of, just a small bit of red on them.
Yeah, they start that darkish, and they go orange over time.
These swans here have flew in. Well, one of them has.
The mum who, if it's that number that I didn't recognise on your video, she's obviously flown in.
Right.
And I know him. He's been here quite a while.
Yeah. And so they're staying around this bit of area just to be on the safe side, aren't they?
Yeah, they've basically claimed this area as their territory.
Yeah.
Obviously, where their nest is, that's definitely home territory, but they've claimed this as well.
Yeah, yeah. So this is the what they call marina, isn't it? So they always stay on this ramp here. Look. And as you can see, it is a safe place compared to where we film.
Is that one always separated sometimes?
Do you know what? I have noticed one of them tends to stay on its own, yeah. I'll make a playlist of the videos I've done with these. It's crazy how quick they've grown up.
Yeah, because they're at the age now where you can tell different characters.
Yeah.
If you're with them a lot. Enough.
They've gone from, I think I was filming over this area when they were little fluff balls.
I ought to make friends with them before I go.
Yes.
First time I've seen them.
The last time I seen these, they were still grey, fully grey.
But they're still making that cute chirpy noise.
Yeah. Well, we thought we'd have a walk round and check on them anyway.
Good, really good.
Before someone leaves us, Mr. Whisperer.
Well, I've got 3 weeks, don't worry. Get squeezing a lot in 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Even with sciatica.
Tell us where you're going. Whereabouts are you going?
He just gave me the nod. I think when he hissed at me, he didn't know me, now he's realised.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You're going on tour to...
Vietnam.
Vietnam, that's the one. Vietnam. You're going to have to come and see these before you go again.
Yeah, well, I'm going to friend them before I go.
Where's this lead us?
I don't know. No, that goes to the main road, but I don't know where that goes.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I found a field with cows on, look. What's he say?
Please do not feed the ducks. And there's a picture of a black swan there.
Yeah, there is actually, yeah. Now, I think we'll carry on feeding, don't you?
Yeah.
We'll carry on. So the tag number 192 for Dad?
Yeah. Yeah, he's been here a while. Yeah, the nods that the swans give us are really important, because even if it's a slight movement, if you just catch it that it's a nod,
Yeah.
it really means something, that he's or she's acknowledging you personally.
Yeah. So thought we'd have a walk round and have a look.
Yeah,
Because it'll not be long till they're fully grown now, will it?
no, I mean, size-wise, they're pretty much there.
Yeah.
A tiny little bit more for the size.
Yeah.
And then they'll start going white
Right, okay.
over the months. Yeah.
Do you know what? They've built a lot of houses around here as well, I've noticed.
There's loads.
It all used to be fields, didn't it? Right, we'll have a let's do a walk round, see what we can see.
Yeah.
And
winter's coming.
yeah.
Coats are on.
And I've took the job of coming down in winter.
Yeah, you could do the winter shift.
While someone keeps warm.
I'll be sweating every day.
We'll keep you updated anyway.
Yeah, good. I'll be on YouTube watching.
Yeah.
Today.
So yeah, I was just wondering about the is it the avian flu or something?
Yeah, the avian flu.
Yeah.
The strains come mostly around September, October time.
Right, I see.
And we've linked it with the amount of black-headed gulls that come.
Right.
And they, at one point, there's like 1,000 all sat on the water. So we've linked it with them. We think the seagulls emigrate here for the winter. They come in their thousands.
Yep.
And they bring the flu with them.
Right.
And that's when everyone gets it eventually.
Oh,
So-
yeah, I didn't know how they caught it, you see.
Yeah, I think they all get it.
Yeah.
It's just what symptoms they get, if they get symptoms.
Right.
And it's really weird, because one could show no symptoms or anything wrong with it one day, and he's dead the next.
Yeah. Well, we found a dead one today, didn't we?
I didn't
On
see
beach,
it. I didn't
yeah.
see it.
So, but we don't recognise number.
No, I didn't. No, I saw a photo. Didn't recognise
Yeah.
the number. Definitely a new one.
And that's the thing, because this is what we do. Our channel is about swans. We do tend to get a lot of messages, don't we?
Yeah, it was loads. Yeah, loads.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right, so we're halfway around lake now. What do you call it? What do you call that here?
What do you mean? What?
Aerator, or is it a fountain, or?
I don't know. I guess it's just a fountain.
Yeah, I guess
to
so.
show. But maybe it's got a pump, a filter to it. I don't know.
Yeah. Then we've got a bridge over there, what leads to Island. I think they need to start doing some repairs on them though. I think they need to start doing some repairs on these bridges.
Yeah.
Not very.
Yeah, they could do better. Definitely did better.
Yes. And then we've got a weird climbing place.
Yeah.
Not much protection then, is there?
I think the ground's softer.
Yeah.
Where it's blue, I think that's probably soft.
You can see beach there. Old swans just chilling out. And then we've got the Swan Whisperer. Who have we got here?
Who is it? Who are you?
Well, he knows you.
Bill. You like Bill?
Oh, it is, isn't it?
How you doing, Bill?
So he's called Bill because of his...
Did you know? He's had that tag on, it's not bothered him one bit. Because he never had one, they put one on the other week, didn't they?
Oh, did they?
With Ali and Tom as well.
Ah, you can just see his bill here, look, where it's just snapped off. He looks an old wound though.
He's quite touchy-feely as well, I can stroke him and stuff.
I love Nate.
He's very big favourite.
838 Nate.
The way when he's in a good mood and he gets close, how he communicates with me, with his head movements, it's insane. It really is insane.
Oh look, someone's broke one of the cameras there. Crazy. Not very clean either. Still for sale. Have you got a spare? What is it, 400 grand for that? No, thought I'd ask.
The thing is, even if I know they're not worth what they're asking.
No.
So
you're paying for view, aren't you?
It'd be very convenient to have.
Yeah.
I mean, the view, great.
Yeah.
But it's more convenient to be.
Yeah, definitely.
It's way more convenient.
I mean, even they're covering the fences up, aren't they? Some of them.
Yeah.
There we are. Old Swans chilling out.
Oh, chilling. Not many people feeding them.
They've been fed by the main man.
Yeah, they've had loads. I filled this. I don't normally fill the tub. I filled it today.
Yeah.
Because I knew.
Well, it was a nice little walk, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Still windy. So this is where coots normally nest up. It's definitely windier on this part of the lake here where it beaches. Here we are back at the beach. It's bloody windy.
Very windy.